Hi, grade 5 pupils. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, so subscribe na. Subscribe, like, share, hit the notification bell, and comment for engagement. So sa last vlog, sa last vlog is I discussed how to add animations. Now that you know how to open the MS PowerPoint, add text, add slides, how to save the how to save it, how to add table, how to add pictures or images, how to add smart graphic art, how to add charts, how to add transitions and animations. Now, how can we print our handouts, or how can we make a handouts using your PowerPoint slides, or how can we print it? So allow me to share my screen. Let's jump right in. Okay, allow me to share my screen again. Okay, can you see my screen? Okay, can you see my slides? Okay. Oh my gosh, it's loading. What is ayun, okay na. Kala ko loading. Wala na ako internet. Okay, welcome to ICT 5. Welcome, dear grade 5 pupils. Welcome to ICT 5. Okay, our lesson today is printing slides and handouts. And now that you have your PowerPoints, slides, how can we print it? Here is the easy steps. How can we make our handouts using the our PowerPoint slide? Okay, so in this lesson, this is our learning targets. These are the learning targets. So print PowerPoint slides and print handouts of our slides. Okay, so this is your activity. Okay, so first is to create a 4 slides. So slide design team is funded. This is activity. Try to do this. First is the slide title slide, first slide. Second slide is picture with caption layout. That's slide number 3, title and content layout. And slide number 4, title and content layout. So kayo na bahala maglagay ng content doon. Okay, just like this. Okay? Yan. Kayo na pong bahala maglagay ng content doon sa inyong slides. Just like this po. Okay, we have 4 slides. Okay, how to print your slide, or kung meron kayong PowerPoint na PowerPoint that you have saved, you can use that. Okay, we can print that. How to print it? So first is go to the File tab on the upper left part of your on the screen. Go to the File tab and choose Print. And after that, it will redirect you here. You can see this dialog, okay, or this. Okay, once you click the File tab, or just on your keyboard, just click Control P, Control plus P. Okay, so these are the parts of the print. Okay, we have you can see the number of copies, the print command, the printer properties, the slide custom, and print layout. Okay, so the printer properties section let us Let us select a printer where we want to print our slides. So ano man yung printer na meron kayo, i-connect nyo lang po. Then printing in PDF is also important as it enables us to share our slides without enters editing them. So is it better to change the format of your slides, your PowerPoint slide into PDF para hindi magalaw yung inyong mga pictures doon, images sa inyong slides. Okay, so printing in PDF is also important as it enables us to share our slide without others editing them. So a PDF file also easier to upload and read online as its file size is smaller and its format is easy to open. Yung mga PDF na naka-PDF na yung PowerPoint slides natin ay mas madaling i-print kasi fixed na, hindi na magagalaw. Okay? Ayan. Ito yun. So once we control plus P or file print, then yan, pili po tayo ng printer. Ano yung printer na nakakonect sa laptop nyo or sa computer nyo. Okay, after that, this section also asks how we want our slide to be printed. So it is always best to print slides in the landscape format. Ito yung advisable, okay? Landscape format. So settings will tell us, or will ask us, settings will ask us which slides we want to print and how many. So if we only print few slides, simply type the pages of the slide we want to print. A range of pages may be indicated with a hyphen. Example 1 to 4. Different pages may be separated by a comma. Sample 1 to 4, comma 5, 7. Yan. Pag may comma, for example, 7 pages. So ang ipiprint nyo lang is 1 to 4, then 5, then 7. Page 5, then page 7. Walang page 6. Okay, how about the handout? So handout is a piece of paper where the slides are seen. So we can customize the number of slides that can be seen per page. So how many slides we can see in each page? Pag maraming slides kasi, kung 6 yan, paliit ng paliit. Maliit yung makikita natin na sa isang bond paper kasi tinipid natin or pinagkasya natin. Okay? So kung gusto niyo mabasa, mas magandang 2 slides kada page. Okay? Kada page na sa handouts. Ayan, print layout. Okay? Kung full page, so malaki yan pag full page. Pag hati, yan. Okay? 2 slides, 3 slides. Yan. Okay, yan lang po. Now, this is the activity that you will do. Activity number 1 is print slide to PDF. So open a presentation. You may create a new one if you want. Print the slide into PDF. Then save the file. Remember to use correct filing conventions. So second, print handouts. Find a partner. Combine your presentation with your partner's presentation. You may also create a presentation that contains information about both of you. Make sure you both have these 3 slides each and print horizontally a handout with 6 slides. Okay, this is my reference. Okay, so let me show you how to print, how to change the PowerPoint slides into PDF. Okay. Save ko lang to. Wait lang save ko lang yung aking Okay, na-share ko ba yung ano ko? Ay, hindi pala. Okay, share ko ulit. Share my screen. Kita nyo na yung screen ko? Okay. Siyempre, bubuksan nyo muna yung PowerPoint nyo. Okay, yung PowerPoint na nagawa nyo. Sample, nag-open na tayo. So, paano ba mag-print? So, dalawang way. Click File. Okay, File, then Print. Click Print. Ito po yung makikita nyo. Okay? Doon. Dalawang way paano mag-redirect dito. Pwedeng using your keyboard, just click Ctrl plus P. Or just simply click File and click Print. Okay. So dito makikita natin yung copies. Ilang copies po ang gusto nyo? Kung 3, 4, kung 4 kayo, gusto nyo kayong 4 ay may copy nun. Or kayong dalawa ay may copy ng PowerPoint na yan. And then, ito po yung printer. Ano pong printer yung meron kayo? Okay? For example, Epson pala yung printer nyo. Di yan Epson. Okay? Kung ano man yung printer na nakakonect sa inyong laptop or yung inyong computer. And then, settings. Dito nakalagay, print all slides. Automatic yan, lahat ng slide. Kung 10 slides yan, lahat mapiprint yan. Print selection, only print the selected slides. Okay? Or print current slides. Kung ano yung nakalagay na slides. And print custom range. Or ilagay mo lang dito, print all slides. Or ito, print selection. Okay? Page 1, 1 to 2, for example, to 2. Okay. So dito, makikita nyo kung anong print layout. Click nyo yan. Full page slides. Yan, yung with notes. Yan, makikita nyo. Dito pwede kayo mag-notes. Ito yung full page. Yan, pag in-scroll down nyo yan po, kita nyo. Okay. And then, kapag full page, ito, outline. Yan, naka-outline lang siya. Yan po yun. One slide. Yan po. Ayan. 2 slides. 3 slides. Yan po. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. 6. And then collated. Ayan na. Ito. Dito natin babaguhin. Landscape para makita nyo. Okay? Since 1 to 2 lang, nilagay nyo, yan po yung makikita nyo. Kung 1 to 8, 1 to 3, 3, 6, 1 to 9. So, kung 1 to 8, ang ilalagay nyo dyan. Yan, makikita nyo lahat. Okay? Then, call 9 slides. O kung 4 slide lang each. Yan po yung makikita nyo per page. Or 6 slide vertical. Or 9 slides. Yan po. So, pili lang po kayo ng format dito. Or kung itong gusto nyo, yan. And then, basta lagi naka-landscape. Tapos, color, grayscale ba? Kung nagtitipid kayo, or black and white, yan. So, pwede naman. Mas mabilis kasi mag-print kapag black and white, mas tipid. Or kung marami naman kayong pambili ng ink, marami namang ink yan. Kung gusto nyo colorful yan, yan po yung Yan po yung piliin nyo. And then, click nyo lang po yung print. Pag sure na po kayo, automatic na magpiprint na yan. Okay. So, paano naman kapag naka-PDF? So, first is i-save nyo po ito. File, save as. downloads, palitan nyo yung type, PDF. Ayan. Click nyo lang, save. So, i-exit natin to. Wait lang. So, save. Okay. Back lang natin. Wait lang. Okay. Punta lang tayo dito sa ating downloads. Makikita natin ito. Itong PDF file. Kinonvert ko siya into PDF. Click nyo lang yan. Ito po yung makikita nyo. Okay? Naka-PDF format po siya. Yan po. Hindi na magagalaw po yung yung inyong mga nakalagay dyan sa inyong slide. Naka-fix na siya. Lahat. Naka-fix na. Hindi na magagalaw. So, pwede niyo siyang i-print. Control P lang. CTRL plus P. Control P. Ayan. So, yan po. Pwede niyo siyang i-print. Okay? Number of copies. Size. Multiple. For example, yan. Okay? Booklet. Ito po yung iba naman ito. Okay? Ayan. Yan po. Landscape. Yan po. Multiple. Or custom. Page per sheet. Or order yan. Yan po. Sa kanya i-print. Okay? So, ito naman po pag PDF. Pag naman normal, yung PowerPoint, yun po kanina. Yung gagawin nyo. Okay. May katanungan pa ba? Kung may katanungan po kayo, just comment. Okay? In code, write your comments on the comment section. Or comment on the comment section box. Or comment section. Okay, hanggang doon na lamang. Try to print your PowerPoint slides. Bye-bye. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye po.